Hello? Hey, I just want to let you know, everything's running on track. Oh, and the OEE is up by 2 points this month, which is great news. Are you meeting with them today? Okay, what I'll do is I'll make sure to pass along any updates with the team, and then I will monitor the lines to make sure that we're still running on track. Great, thanks.
Hey, got a minute?
Yeah, what's up?
I was wondering if we could go ahead with the run.
Yeah, not a problem. Wait, hold on. I just got an alert. Oh, wait, it says that there's an anomaly on line 6. Can you check on that?
Yeah.
You know what? I'm gonna schedule it for maintenance just in case, and I'm moving everything over to line 7. So can you go check on the setup?
Yeah.
Great.
In large-scale factories, optimizing throughput is the #1 priority. Epicor enables you to track, measure, and monitor your entire business from shop floor to top floor, and from raw materials to final product. Data from IoT sensors and Epicor ERP provide a foundation for AI-driven alerts that let you know if your manufacturing process is running smoothly and timely.
Hey, what's the status with the lines?
Well, I'm really glad you had me check because we could have had a really big problem on our hands. Everything's good to go with line 6. The product is loaded and it's on its way.
Great. Thank you.